Here we have a patient who had undergone an ARTAS robotic hair restoration. This was 8.5 months back, and in his case, he had transplanted the entire hairline, going all the way till the frontal tuft and the mid-scalp, and we had given a high density right out here, along with the hairline. This was at 8.5 months. The hairline looks very natural. You cannot figure out that this is a transplanted hairline, and so is the density all over. You just cannot see any bald area anywhere. And this is only going to get better in the coming 4 months. So yes, we can't wait to see the results on this one. This is his donor area where we had actually removed the grafts from. This is at around 8.5 months again, and you can have a look. We have transplanted a good number of grafts, close to around 3,000, and you can see how nicely the donor area is healed up. You cannot figure out that anything has been taken from out here.